Don't you hate it when you recorded an entire video and after you recorded you realized you were mute? Because that's what just happened to me. Hey guys, and welcome back to another Swang Awesome video, where today we're going to be covering enemy AI and doors in our platformer tutorial. And before we start, my friend asked if I could make the player not have to move with the arrow keys and with the WAD keys. So if you go into the step event, as you can see in the tutorial that I was muted on, I did this. So just pause the video for VK right, change that to OR to D, and make sure there's two parentheses here. And yeah, just do what I did here. And that's it for that. So what we want to do, I already went ahead and did all the stuff for the enemy except make the sprite. So to get all that code, just go, there's a MediaFire download in the description. Just go click that and download this little notepad document or text document. And yeah, and in the document it says collision obj_solid. You might not get you might not get what that means, but it just add an event, a collision event, and then with the obj_solid, and then just put in the code that's in the notepad, whatever. So anyway, let's create our sprite for the obj_enemy. So SPR_enemy. What the heck? Oh wait, I minimized it accidentally. No. There we go. Okay, so SPR_enemy, and then you want to edit the sprite. Then you want to click this little paper document or whatever. Then you want to just click OK. It should be 32 by 32, and then you can add whatever you want right here. It doesn't matter. Like, you could add a smiley face or a frowny face or a evil face. But what you want to make sure is that you have one eye looking this way and the smiley face or frowny face looks like this. So I'm just gonna keep with that, and I'm just gonna add that, I guess. That looks nice, I guess. But here, wait, let me do that right there and just do this. There, that looks better. And I'm also going to add a little outline around it. There we go. So that looks fine. That looks alright. Maybe I'll make him look a little mad. There we go. That looks good. And now, we're not done yet. What you want to do is you want to click Control-C and then Control-V. And then you want to go into the second image, transform, mirror flip, and then you want to make sure it's ticked mirror horizontally, and then just click OK. And now the animation looks dumb, but just chill, it's fine. Then just click checkmark, click OK, save it. Then you just want to assign the sprite to here and add all the stuff from the code in the description. And also you want to make sure obj_solid is ticked for the enemy, or else the enemy will fall through the floor. So make sure of that. And then you want to just place your enemy in your room somewhere. So I'm just going to place it right here. I already created a platform for it, so I almost left this out. But you want to go into the obj_player, and then you want to add a collision with the enemy. So collision obj_enemy, and then you want to go to main 1. And then you want to just drag this there, and it restarts the current room every time the player runs into the enemy. Now click OK, save it, play, and let it all load and stuff. It might take a while for you, I don't know. And then, yeah, we are in here, moving with the WAD keys. And then if I go up to the enemy right here, boop. See, the room restarted. So now let's get into doors. So first, what we want to do, and this is really simple, we want to create a sprite and call it SPR_door. Then edit the sprite, add this, and I'm going to make this 40. And then, wait, no, I messed up. I want to make this 32 and the height 40. I'm sorry. And then you want to go into this image, and you want to select this square button. I use the square button a lot, and you want to make sure it's the top one, not this one or this one, just this one. And you want to just go into the very corner and just drag it down like this, but don't let go, you want to move it up one, because we don't want it to have like a full outline. So move it down one or whatever, and then you want to select the paint bucket and find a nice little brown in the yellow orange section. Just place that right there, and I'm going to select black again. I'm just going to add a little doorknob. Here, I'm going to lower that a little. There we go, that looks good. And then just check mark it again, click OK, and now you want to create an object called obj_door, and we're going to add 0 code to this. We're just going to add one thing to the player. We're going to add a collision with the door in the player. So go to main 1, and now you want to drag this right into here, go to next room. So every time you run into the door, you will go to the next room. And then you want to duplicate room 1. And I learned that if you hold down Control and Shift and right click, you can get rid of all this stuff. And this is just to let the player know that they're in a different room. It's not the same room, because they might have thought that the room restarted if we just leave it. So, and then go into room 1, and then just add the door anywhere. And if you hold Alt and click on the door, you can like drag it outside of the grid. So I'm going to put it up here at the very highest little solid block, and then yeah, that looks fine. Yeah, that looks good. Okay, now save it, click play, and now it should work if we made 0 mistakes. Okay, and we are in. And now if we go up to the door, we will go to the next room. If we go to the enemy, can I reach you? It'll restart the room. So that'll be it for this tutorial. Thank you so much for watching. If you're new to the channel, click the like button and subscribe button. Links to GameMaker and stuff in the description, and my gaming channel. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe for more GameMaker tutorials and just regular tutorials on stuff. And I guess I'll just see you guys in the next video. Goodbye.